Welcome to a Daniel Summerall flashback.
Hi YouTube, this is Daniel Summerall, and in this video I wanted to show you really quick how to troubleshoot a frozen BrailleNote. My BrailleNote is frozen right now as I'm trying to load up one of my favorite websites. And I need to troubleshoot it. How do I do that? What you do is you hit your reset button on the top of the left-hand side of the unit. So you have your record, on the left side of the unit you have your record button, your earphone jack, your microphone jack, your power toggle switch, and behind that you get your reset button. You're gonna hit that. Oh, that didn't work. What do? What you do is you're going to press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. See? And that makes it start working. So I hope you found this video helpful. I just wanted to try and see if I could do it. And I did. So, alright. See you later, guys.
Well guys, that's it for this Daniel Summerall Productions flashback. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you have any requests of videos you would like to see remastered, please post a comment down below and I will happily remaster it for you. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Daniel Summerall, over and out. Oh, and I almost forgot, our royalty-free music comes to us from audionautics.com. That's spelled AUDIONAUTIX.com. Go check them out, and if you can, tell them Daniel Summerall sent you. This has been a Daniel Summerall YouTube video presentation. Thanks for watching, everyone.